In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Google Forms. Have you ever found yourself needing to change the language on a Google form, but weren't quite sure where to start? Well, worry no more. Whether you're trying to reach a broader audience or simply making your form accessible to speakers of different languages, I've got you covered. In just a few simple steps, I'll guide you through how to easily adjust the language settings on your Google Forms. First things first, head over to Google Sites. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Simply click on the sign in button, enter your email address and click next. Then key in your password and click sign in once again. If you're already signed in, you can skip this part. Next up, it's time to navigate to your Google form. If you've got a lot of forms, you might have to do a bit of scrolling, but don't worry, it's there. Once you find the form you want to edit, open it up. For the third step, you'll want to click on any text block within your form that you wish to translate. This could be a question, an instruction, or any piece of text that's visible to the people filling out the form. After clicking on the text, you'll need to highlight it. This action tells Google precisely which text you're interested in changing. So make sure you select exactly what you want to translate. And here comes the crucial part. Right-click on the highlighted text. A small menu will pop up, and from there you need to select Translate. This option triggers Google to translate the text into the default language set in your browser, or allows you to choose a different language if necessary. And that's pretty much it. By following these steps, you can easily change the language on any text within your Google Forms, making your form more accessible and user-friendly for a global audience. Remember, the key to a successful form is not just in the questions you ask, but in making it comprehensible for everyone who might come across it. By ensuring your form is available in multiple languages, you're not just reaching a wider audience, but you're also showing consideration and respect for diverse cultures. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't hesitate to experiment with changing languages on different parts of your form to make it as inclusive as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in our next tutorial.